What is a computer program or programming? We'll find it out soon, but before that, we'll create a computer program for ourselves. To do that, open an internet browser and visit scratch.mit.edu by typing it in the address bar. Wait for a website to load and then click on Start Creating. You can see a window, right? This is known as Code tab. The Code tab is divided into four sections. Block palette consists of blocks that you can use in your programming. We'll see about that in upcoming lectures. And then the middle pane is known as code area, and then the area with the cat is known as stage, and the cat is known as a sprite. And then the area below the stage is known as sprites pane. Well, sprites is a type of image that performs actions in a project. Here are other examples of sprites. For your information, you can also create your own sprites. Now, let us begin with our first program. First, we'll close the tutorial window and then go to the events in the categories and then pick when green flag is clicked and place it in the code area, and then go to looks and pick the say hello block and join it and change it to Hello Zwaay Academy and run. So now you can see the cat is displaying Hello Zwaay Academy, and boom, we finished our first program. How simple was it, right? So next we'll do a slight modification to it and say hello and your name. My name is Dhanush, so I'm typing Dhanush instead of your name. Make sure you insert your name. Yep. So there we go. Here's a second program that says hello Dhanush. So this is a very simple program. And congrats guys, you've created your first program. So what is a computer program? A computer program is nothing but a set of pre-written instructions that can be read by a computer and execute those pre-written instructions to get a result. In other words, consider the Scratch program that we made as input, and in background there is a process happening. But we don't have to worry about that now. And then once the process is over, we get a result, which is the cat displaying the result of our program. This is how the same program looks in programming languages such as C++ and Java. Luckily, in this course, we won't be focusing on text-based programming. We'll be focusing on Scratch. We are talking about programming languages such as Scratch, C++ and Java, right? So what are they? A programming language is nothing but a set of pre-written instructions that both computers and humans can understand. A computer can't directly understand the pre-written programs. There are processes that are happening in the background to make the computer understand code written by humans. So what does this computer process do? The first and foremost task that computer process does is to read the code written by humans, and then it changes it to something known as machine language. So machine language is a language that computers can understand and humans cannot. After that, it creates an executable file. An executable file is nothing but a file that consists of instructions a computer has to perform, and that executable file is in machine language. It is very tough for humans to understand this code. This is how a machine code looks like. Can you understand? No, right? We don't have to worry about all these. We are going to use Scratch programming language to learn programming concepts and use them to build robots. Maybe in high-level courses, you learn to program robots with text-based programming languages. Check the bonus section for the status of high-level courses offered by Zwaay Academy. Okay, I started to learn programming when I was 8. I had a question. You might have this question too. So I was wondering, Scratch is so simple. Is this what software professionals do? And then I found out that there are programming languages other than Scratch, and thousands of lines of codes are involved in making a simple game. And now I learned that Facebook has 62 million lines of code. That is huge, right? I was mind blown. Since we are focusing on robotics in this course, most of the programming concepts will be explained with robotics as example. This will help you grasp programming and robotics concepts easily. This is better than traditional way because in traditional Scratch courses, there is no clear goal. So the teachings will be too generic. This is a clear advantage for people who take this course. It's like two birds with one stone. Before we start coding, there are a few concepts that has to be explained, and they are algorithms, flowcharts, and pseudocodes. Once that is clear, we will start learning programming concepts that can be applied in both Scratch and other text-based programming languages. This course will be a strong foundation for young people who aspire to be a roboticist or software engineer. In upcoming lectures, we will see how to convert the pseudocode into an actual working program. And then we'll create a game using Scratch. This game will use almost all the concepts that you'll be learning in this section. And at the end of this section, you'll be simulating your own obstacle avoiding robot in Scratch, and that too, it'll be without my help. So let's get learning.